Hello folks, and welcome back to the Jesus Christ of Trading show. As much as I want to embrace the hit the bid and the new logo and all, I'm thinking about taking the show in a whole another direction. Now that my fellow Indians and my Hindus have embraced me with open arms in the world of India, Sri Lanka, I know you guys are back on the fold. Now I don't want to give any misinformation and guide you in any particular way, reminding you that we can take this show any direction you want. But if you want to feel good about yourself and enjoy a spiritual awakening such as I did last week, I just want to keep on that wavelength with you right now and tell you a little bit of what happened the next day. Did I mock the gods? Did I tempt fate? Because what I did yesterday, and this is coming from someone that's been in this business for going on over 10 years, what I did the other day was something that is so tragic and so unbelievable that it's almost too upsetting and tragic to even tell you what happened. Now we all know about the one stock. If there was going to be one situation, one idea, one thing that you could put your money into, that I felt that you could put your money into and just sit there and wait, it was Digital Globe. Yes. The Lord woke me one day and said, Crow, I know I've tested you all these years and I've blessed you with a beautiful wife, and I've blessed you with 2 tremendous, awesome children. I've blessed you with a great family life. But what I'm going to take from you is the ability to succeed in anything that has to do with monetary gain. Therefore, someone dubbed me the Jesus Christ of trading. I can educate, I can help, but I suffer, and I'm a Jew. The Jesus Christ of trading, I've taken this to heart now, because the suffering and all along trying to let you know that I'm here for you, but being struck down as a scammer, a charlatan, a carnival barker, when all I am is someone that is honestly trying to help you. So here's what I did. Along the same lines of telling you to own this Digital Globe and telling everybody to own this stock, I, myself, was tested. Now, if you want to look back on the day where they reported their earnings, you saw what happened to the stock. Tremendous gap down in the aftermarket. As I questioned my sanity and my Lord, why did you do this to me? But then miracles of miracles that happen the next day. The stock starts to rebound, and then I'm only down 4,000 or 5,000 instead of being down 12 or 13. Then lo, I'm only down 2 grand, and the stock continues to rise. Could this be? Could this be the reversal of fortune to finally go in my favor? The stock goes positive. I leave the room not to jinx it. I leave my orders out there that I never thought would get done. Those options would never get printed at those outlandish prices where I just hoped that they would get printed at. Never. I come back from playing hide and seek with my child, and all my options are done. So a $14,000 loss has now turned into a profit of $3,200, and I still own the stock as it was rising. Now I took this as a gift, and I said, I better get out of this stock and get out while the getting's good. Yay, people. And the moral of the story, and if you've been a follower of mine since day one, you know what happens when I sell something that I truly believe in. I sold the stock that the Lord told me to hang on to, testing my courage, testing my fortitude, that after hours print under $20. And here the stock stands at $23.50. I would be a fool not to take the blessing given to me and embrace that. And what did I tell you to do? Is to embrace the horror of now that stock will continue to rise because I'm out of it to $30, just like the Lord told me to do when the stock was early at 17 over a year ago. But that is not how this tragic story will end. Knowing my trading strategy, the Lord tested me once more. The stock, on a rampage now, closing in on $25, $26 a share, decides to sell off. And knowing as the trader that I am, I took this as a sign, as a reversal, what we like to call as the pivot point. So I was going to take this opportunity to try to milk this pullback by shorting a stock that I truly believe has nowhere to go but up. Shorting a stock that I believe is just going to keep going forever. But this is trading. And I took this opportunity to short that stock. And it went against me. And I should have known right there not to short a stock that I think is going higher. But it was still remaining weak. All signs, all technical indicators, all stochastics pointing to a stock that was about to give back something. But there, I took out my stops and I decided to keep shorting it and shorting it and shorting it and shorting it. Suddenly, somehow, overcome with a demon. Because it wasn't me pressing those buttons. I would never short Digital Globe. But yet there I was adding to my position and adding to it and adding to it. Almost wanting to suffer. So I think that's what it is. If you're a trader out there, believe in yourself and don't ever doubt yourself. And when you know something is going bad, do not feel stubborn. Do not feel blinded by the fact that you can't accept that you're wrong. Accept it, move on, and don't let what happened to me in the Digital Globe happen to you. Shorting a stock that I believe in, I deserve to lose money. And I hope all of you out there have remained long this stock. Which brings me to my next pick. But you'll have to stay tuned till next time to find all about what's going to happen in the tragic life of the Jesus Christ of trading.